prove that the expression matches the area diagram. Okay, so A equals the length and width, which is 2 and 3, and then you have to multiply those, and then that equals 6. And then A2 is the second box, the smaller box, which is 4 and 1, and you multiply those and you get 4. And then next you have you do 6 plus 4, and that equals 10. So that's what the area is of the square.
Okay. So what about this one? Which expression matches the area of that diagram?
Then for the next box, I can't see what
That's 2 times 5, isn't it?
No. And then 2, and then you can, like, so the first one, 5 plus 3, and then times 2 is 16, and 2 times 5 plus 2 times 3 is 16.
Whoa! Okay.
How
do I erase, dude?
Just do the trash can.
Trash can? This is way different
Can I
than
see
ours.
this? Can I see this?
Yeah, hold on, get the bread. Okay, go.
And then 16 is it's 5 or 3 plus 5 is 8, and then 3 plus 5 is 8, and then that would be 16, but
Is that the associate thing?
but technically that's
all 3 of them work? Is that associate?
that shouldn't be, but it is. But it is.
This one works. That's
So-
good, because you circled that, right?
Yeah, that
And
and
this
that.
is 10 plus 6. That works too, right?
This is distributive.
No, that still works. Because we went over it in class.
You mean it still works though?
We went over it in
What
class.
says
He says it still works.
Combine. Okay, let's move on.
Yeah, but
And
I'm
then
just saying.
this one,
3 times 5. 3 times 5. I hate painting.
and then
3 times 5 and 3 times
that
5.
technically wouldn't be.
It's 3 plus 5 and 3 plus 5.
No, that doesn't work.
Oh, this one doesn't work?
Oh no, it's plus.
Yeah.
Okay.
Plus 5, not times 5.
How to go down?
Understand how that works.
How?
That one, so that one doesn't make sense, even though it's the right answer.
Oh yes, it does.
It doesn't ding.
Because it's
This is stupid.
okay, just like you would do.
3 times 5 is 8.
Like
That works.
this is 3 times 5 plus 4. Like that's
This,
2
I'm
times
just
3
gonna
times
go
5.
ahead and say this
Or 2
word.
times 3 plus 5 is the same as 3 plus 5 plus 3 plus 5.
Okay.
Does that make sense? Because you're doing 2 times 5 and 2 times 3.
I'm just gonna go ahead
And
and
then adding
do
it
it.
together.
Well, the area of this is 10, and the area of this is 6. So 2 times 5 plus 3 times 2, that works. But you don't do any adding when you do area.
So it works, but it's not supposed to.
Yes.
It wouldn't work typically.
Okay, so technically it works.
Okay. Combine like terms. Why did you do this?
10 goes over to K. They both have K's.
Mm-hmm.
So, and then you just add. Wait, no, you subtract.
Yeah. So
And
10K
then,
minus
so it's 7K, and then this one's all lonely.
Remember what Mr. Slater told us that you can only, you try to get all the, like if, what sometimes starts with K?
Koala. No.
Koalas? Yeah, like you can only subtract, 10 koalas and 3 koalas leave. It has nothing to do with baboons. That's why you can't say anything about baboons. Do you remember
That's
Mr.
an
Slater
H.
talking to us about that?
Hippopotamuses.
Yeah.
That's an
It
H.
kind of made sense to me. Explain something a little more.
Simplify this expression. So this one I did wrong the first time I did it, so I'm just gonna redo everything.
Oh, that's actually
I
good.
have to distribute that in
There we
there, and then you get 15 plus, oh my gosh, and then you get 9x minus 4x,
Right.
and then that goes
Get a
there.
different color for that one.
Oh, okay.
And that gives you, well, that's a good color.
And then, this is just lonely.
Is this,
And then-
it's 15, right?
What?
Could you write 15 here so I can read it right here? There you go. There you go. 15, and we don't have that anymore, so we're going to do what?
And then you subtract it and you get 5, I think. 5x. And then plus 15. And then that's your answer.
Yay, Okay, this is good. Greg has Q quarters.
Greg has Q quarters and P pennies. His brother has 4 times as many quarters and 8 times as many pennies as George has. Write the sum of the number of coins they have and then combine like terms. So you do.
Use the space right here.
Okay. So his Greg has Q quarters and P pennies.
Okay.
So that's Greg's. And then
You already had Greg. It's never going to show up. Okay, never mind. Yeah,
and then his brother, I'm just gonna write B, has 4 times as many quarters and 8 times as many pennies.
That was really impressive. 8 times as many pennies. Great.
And then
Then
I'm not done yet.
Mhm.
Then you do, oh my gosh, okay. I think you just like squash it together, I think. And let me look at this. And then I think you get 5Q and 9P. And then that's your total answer. Because I didn't like rewrite this.
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, it's right here. It's right. I'm like, how
But
can I rewrite
you're right though,
that?
because this word means
Sum.
sum is the answer to an addition problem. Right?
Yeah, I have it right there. That's right.
Just making sure you're flashing green.
Yeah,
You
it
did
looks.
that really well. Here, let's see if we can finish this. Okay, how's this one?
Angelo is twice as old as Gina. Write this as an expression in 2 ways. Well, twice is another word for 2.
Mm-hmm.
So, Angelo is twice as old as Gina, so we need to figure out how old Gina would be if we're figuring out how old she is twice as old. So, it's G times 2. That's one way.
Okay.
And then the second way would be, and then
divided by 2.
we could just do G plus G.
Oh, G plus G.
You could do Gina plus Gina, and that's another way.
Yeah, but do Angelo different.
And then a third way to do it is just Angela divided by Gina divided by 2.
And that equals
Divided by 2, and that equals Gina. Oh.
Awesome. Tyrone science. Read the next one.
Tyrone science class. In Tyrone's science class, he is studying cells. A cell divides every 30 minutes. If Tyrone starts with 2 cells, how many cells does he have in 3 hours?
You're good at that.
Where'd it go?
It's right here. Right there. It's right there.
I know, I'm scrolling up just so it's at the.
It's.
Oh, that's the last page. You didn't do the back.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I did it on a different picture.
And then, so I'm just like gonna. So, this is 0. And 0, at 0 minutes, he starts out with 2 cells. And then in 30 minutes, he gets 4 cells.
Oh.
I want this. He gets 4 cells. And then in another 30 minutes, he gets 8 cells. And then at 90 minutes, he gets 16. And then in another 30 minutes, which is 120, he gets 32. And then in 150, he gets 64. And then in the last 180 minutes, he gets 120 cells. 28.
Okay, let's stop.
Wait, can we do the last one?
Oh, yeah.
Wait, 2 last ones.
Oh, yeah. Okay, do it.
And then, okay, number 8. Write an expression to represent the following situation. T equals tickets, B equals bags of peanuts, and P equals posters. Adam and his 2 brothers went to the zoo. Each ticket to enter the zoo cost $7. Adam bought 2 bags of peanuts for $4 each. And one of his brothers bought a lion poster for $12.
Okay.
So, for tickets, there's Adam and his 2 brothers, so that's 3 people. 7 plus 7 plus 7. So that's 3 people. And then Adam bought.
Do a different color.
I did.
Yes, do a different color. Trust me, then we could do a different color for each sentence. Okay.
So, and okay, I need green. And then
Peanuts.
he bought 2 bags of peanuts for $4 each. And then he bought 1 lion poster for $11.
$12.
What?
$12. You did it.
$12.
Do this one.
Okay. Evaluate 12x 2 squared minus 4 when x equals 3.
Cool.
And then we need to use PEMDAS. Do you know what that is?
Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally.
Yeah.
Never heard that?
No, I've heard it.
Oh,
I've been a teacher a long time.
Enter your answer in the box. So you have to do 5 times 3 equals x, and then it's squared, so 2, and then
No, that's not 5x squared. Isn't the x squared? Okay.
and then minus 4. That equals 26.
It does?
And then to check your answer.
Are you sure? This makes sense to me. Look, dude.
I know. Oops.
Yeah.
Hold on.
So,
Hold
it's
on.
good that you made this mistake now because you won't make it later. Erase that. Because when I see
You need to be able to have a big eraser. Stupid.
when I see x2 and I see this,
Oh, right here.
get
off
my
me.
back.
Okay.
x2.
So
is
you
9.
do 5x squared and then minus 4.
Right.
4. And then 5 times 3 squared minus 4. And 5, 9 minus 4. Then, no. No! I didn't write my